Hello, this is a layman's reaction. Uh, Yesterday I did a reaction to Rose Royce. The song was Car Wash. Uh, but how can you forget this one? Jim is going to be singing a song for us here. Working at the Car Wash Blues. Yeah, let's listen.
And this is another new one. It's kind of get that funky street feel. People, sometimes get a case of mistaken identity about what they should be doing. And this is a story about a guy that thinks he should be ruling the universe somewhere, but he's really working at a car wash. The title's really a long one. It's called I Goddamn Steadily Depressing, Low Down Mind Messin', Working at the Car Wash Blues.
No, that's not all going in the title. There's not enough space. I like him. This is great.
Well, I had just got out from the county prison doing 90 days for non-support. Tried to find me an executive position, but no matter how smooth I talk, he wouldn't listen to the fact that I was a genius. The man says we got all that we can use. Now I got them steadily depressing, low down mind messing, working at the car wash blues. Well, I shouldn't be sitting in a air-conditioned office in a swivel chair, talking some trash to the secretary, saying, hey now mama, come on over here. But instead I'm stuck here rubbing these spindles with a rag and walking home in soggy old shoes. With them steadily depressing, low down mind messing, working at the car wash blues. You know a man of my ability, he should be smoking on a big cigar. But did I get myself straight? I guess I'll just have to wait in my rubber suit rubbing these cars. But all I can do is to shake my head when you might not believe it is true. For working at this end on Niagara Falls is a undiscovered Howard Hughes. So baby, don't expect to see me with a double martini and in my highbrow society news. I got them steadily depressing, low down mind messing, working at the car wash blues. Yeah.
Great guitar work on both of them. The vocals on both of them. I really like this song. It's just all of the stuff he's describing in the lyrics. And it's got a nice beat to it. Yeah.
Cause I got them steadily depressing, low down mind messing, working at the car wash blues. Yeah, I got them steadily depressing, low down mind messing, working at the car wash blues.
Great. Well, that put a smile on my face. I really like the song, the way they presented it here, the camera work. Great. I enjoyed this a bunch. I hope you all did. Feel free to comment, subscribe, hit that like button.